Considering that the gin market is just constantly growing and growing and growing. I mean, gins are made in every single corner at the moment, which is great. Personally, me, I'm really focusing on this year on the American whiskey, which it's also become very rare. Certain bottles really hard to locate. We're looking to stock around over 400 bourbons. This is pure American whiskey, so this does not include any Scotches or Irish whiskeys, some Canadian whiskeys. And then hopefully we can design a menu that is more interactive rather than just listing products in there, which can be a bit boring. The range we're going for is to try to get as many American whiskeys as possible. As I said, we're aiming to be one of the biggest in the world, but making sure that we also have some of the most sought out bottles who are right now costing thousands and thousands of pounds. We have managed to locate some of those bottles, so I'm very happy about that. If you've been to Shaka Zulu, you'll see that it's a very big place. We've got about 3 large bars here, so a lot of back bar space. Still a few gaps to fill, but we definitely have the space. And obviously security becomes a very fundamental thing, especially when you have bottles, that cost over 30,000 pounds in the market or something like that. Pappy Van Winkle 23, for example, or Yellowstone. Yeah, we'd be locking our doors. The launch date hasn't been set yet, but we are looking to launch it in about 6 or 7 weeks. We got a lot of supports coming from Eagle Rare, so there'll be a few drinks on the night. I'm sure you all get an invite, and I hope to see you there soon. Enjoy whiskey.